Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install qBittorrent in your computer in a very simple way. qBittorrent, clear open source torrent client with zero ads. How you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply search here qBittorrent, download. Then click on the download option, and here you're going to select download qBittorrent for Windows, and then it will going to redirect you to the sourceforge.com. So click on the download latest version, and as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, and now you have to minimize all of your background tab and click on OK, next, and install. After complete the installation, as you can see that the qBittorrent is rightly installed. So now if you click on finish, click OK, and your qBittorrent is rightly open in your computer. So this is how we can simply download and install qBittorrent in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.